How to disable Windows Defender in Windows 11, let's get right to it. Press the Start button. Here in search bar, just type Settings. Go to the Privacy and Security, then move on to Windows Security. Here we need to click on Virus and Threat Protection. Here in section Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click on the Manage Settings, and here just switch off all the parameters. Now, after these actions, our Windows Defender is disabled. It's also worth noting that if you turn Windows Defender off and download an application and then turn Windows Defender back on, the application will be automatically deleted. To avoid this, we need to add our application to the exclusion list. You can see how to add our application to the exclusion list by clicking on the tooltip above or on the link in the description. Now you know how to disable Windows Defender in Windows 11? If you have some questions, just leave in comment section below. See you soon, guys.